This is Philip Strebel, Senior Market Strategist at MF Global, and I've been sucked into doing this poll here where what gold will be next Friday. I think that it's near impossible to just get the direction right, let alone the price even right, and then that far out is absolutely ridiculous, but I figure I'll give it a shot here and really test my skills. So last week I guess there were 50 total votes. 74% of the population had voted that it'd be higher. The market was 18.1040 at the time. We had one guy who came up with 1672, this guy Janney. He was the closest guy on it, so I commend you. Give me a call. Maybe I'll take a lesson from you. Now looking at some of the data, if I'm going to look at and really try and come up with an educated guess here of where things are going to go next Friday, I'm going to want to look at two things. One, I'm going to want to look at the technical picture of gold, and then I want to change that chart from a daily chart to a weekly chart to try and use longer term perspectives to try and pinpoint next Friday's close. Then the second thing is I want to look at the complete rundown of the the economic data, the fundamental data that's coming out. So just giving you a rundown: Monday, new home sales at 9 a.m., garbage. Consumer confidence, 9 a.m. on Tuesday, garbage. Durable goods, a little bit of a wild number, so anything can happen on that. Possible that there is some decent number, but I highly doubt it. GDP on Thursday, most likely garbage as well. So all this is quite, good for the gold market. So my bias, you can see right now, is to the upside. Personal income, I don't know anybody whose income has actually gone up anytime recently. Spending, well, that's always increasing, so it's getting worse. And then Chicago PMI and University of Michigan consumer sentiment on Friday. So nothing but a load of rubbish when it comes out to the economic data that's coming out next week. So I think that is going to put a quiet bid underneath the gold market. Now technically where I think things are going, this is a weekly chart, so throw up a weekly chart, put it on the candlesticks, draw this trend line going up, start connecting the bottoms. You can see where the next major support is, this rising upward slope. I say worst case scenario, we test this maybe Monday, Tuesday on follow through selling as a result of margin calls and liquidation. But I think if you take today's low and you take that high up at 1918, start drawing a Fibonacci retracement. Your 38% retracement is 1742.50. Your 50% retracement is 1776. I pulled a number out of the hat. I'm going with 1747.60 as my lucky guess on where the market will go. So we'll see what happens here, but I can't even tell what happens next week. So if you want to fade me, if you want to check out on Facebook here, or you want to fade me and really heckle me, go to Facebook and write something terrible about how bad I am at picking direction, because I can tell you this, I did not predict this kind of move coming. So remember that futures and options trading does involve risk of loss, may not be suitable to all investors. Good luck, good trading.